Hello beautiful people. Today I wanted to vamp it up a little bit and do something crazy dramatic. You're gonna be so shocked by the end of this video. But anyways, I am so bummed out. I ordered these brushes that I was so excited to use because quite honestly I'm so sick of my brushes. Ready to try something new with some new brushes. And they came a little bit late because of the snowstorm we were supposed to get, and actually we didn't get any snow whatsoever, so they ended up being pushed back a week or so. And then I went on Saturday and I was not able to get the package, and then Sunday the leasing office at my apartment complex was closed, and then today I went to go get it. I was so excited and I was like ready to do the unpackaging of these brushes, and it's Martin Luther King Day. I'm super excited it's Martin Luther King Day, but I'm also pretty bummed because I was really excited to get my brushes. I will film that next video. So I've already done my face makeup and my eyebrows. My contour was completed with my Tarte's Pro Glow palette, of course, per usual. I used my Mary Kay primer and my Mary Kay foundation in the color Beige 1. And then I used Bye Bye Pores Translucent Setting Powder by It Cosmetics. And I did my eyebrows with the Jaclyn Hill palette because I've been doing my eyebrows with my eyeshadow consistently lately. And I really love it. So I've just been sticking with powder lately, and that is basically all that I have done so far. And I'm gonna start right into the makeup look with my eyeshadow, and keep watching. I'm using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I've noticed in my other videos that I press really hard on my eyelids when I put my primer on, and I apologize for that. I'm not supposed to press that hard, but I didn't even know that I was until I watched my videos. Also, if you can hear a really high-pitched buzzing, I guess it's like a generator outside. I don't know why it's making that noise, but I feel like every time I try to make a video, there's some kind of like ruckus going on in the background with outside my building, and I wish I could make it stop, but I think it's the cold weather, to be honest. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to start with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this neutral color right here. It's called Butter. It's very hard to kind of tell what these colors are named sometimes because it's on the back of the palette. This is going to be very, very dark. It's going to be a halo eye, so I'm going to bring this all around the eyelid. Oh, it keeps getting louder and louder and it hurts my ears. I'm so sorry, and I apologize if you can hear that high-pitched sound. So now I'm going to take this teal color, and it is called Jada. So I'm going to use Jada with that same brush. I'm going to take my ETBT blending brush, and I'm going to use this purple color in the shade Royalty. And I'm going to use that on the corners of my eye. And of course, I'm going to darken it up quite a bit. So I'm gonna kind of fade it in here on the outer V. Take this dark purple color in the color Soda Pop. That's going to go basically in those same areas that I put the other purple, but it's just going to deepen it a ton. I'm going to take this really small brush to go into those corners with this dark color. I'm kind of going in and blending out this line with that previous brush. I'm going to use this cream color here called MFEO. And I'm using that right on the middle of the eye. I'm going to take the same blending brush that I used. I'm going to take this black color called Abyss. I'm using that just on the very outer corner. I'm not even going to use it on the inner corner. I'm just using it to really vamp this up. I'm going to take the color Beam for my brow bone. I'm going to take the Smashbox gel liner, black, on my bottom waterline just on the outer corner. I'm going to smudge it out with a short smudger brush. Alright, I look really dark right now, really dark, and we're about to make it even darker, but it's going to look put together in a moment. I'm going to do some liquid liner from NYX, and it's NYX Epic ink. All the way out, honey, all the way out. I'm now going to apply my false lashes. I am going to use some pretty dense wispies. I'm going to use my Colossal Volume Express mascara from Maybelline, and of course coat the eyelashes so that they all look natural. I'm going to use my Lock-It Concealer by Kat Von D and go over these areas just to clean them up a bit. With my larger concealer brush. Crazy on these lips, everybody, so I'm just warning you. I'm using my NYX lip liner in the color, it says SMLL 20. Oh, Put It On, I believe is the name of it. So it is a really dark purple. It's gonna look black. Yeah, I'm just warning you, this is gonna be way crazy. I'm just outlining my lips with this. I'm leaving a space here in the middle because I'm going to fill it in with a dark reddish purple color. So there that is. I'm going to use this color, Woodbury by Broadway Colors matte lipstick, right in the center there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching me put lots of really dark makeup all over my face. I have lipstick on my teeth. It's really good for any occasion as long as you're bold enough to wear it and you can wear it confidently. I wear this usually around Halloween or whatever. Honestly, I wouldn't mind wearing this tomorrow, but a lot of people do give you kind of funny looks when you wear stuff like this out in public. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you feel beautiful in whatever kind of makeup you desire to wear, and I hope that you have a wonderful and a blessed day. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more, and give me a thumbs up, please.